Hello, welcome to Villa Vesna. Let's go. Vesna Townhouses located in the heart of Berawa, Bali. So we have a swimming pool here, private, garden, and let's go, I will show you next. Let's step inside. Here is the living room with the high ceiling and with a beautiful view to the rice field. Welcome to the kitchen. So we have a beautiful, fully equipped kitchen. Here you can find everything for your comfortable cooking. Also, just have a look at this large fridge. And just look at this washing machine, which is very rare in Bali actually. Also, I just in love with this table because it's make me feel I wanna cook here even if I don't like it. But yes, this is beautiful. And this color, olive color, is very quiet and it's make me feel at home. And one more thing which I like about the kitchen, its design. Just look at this. This dining chair has very strong and woody material, and the color is matched with the table, and the table is granite. So let's move to the best part of this villa, its bedroom. This villa has 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. The things which I love about this room, it's mirrors. Look at this. I can enjoy myself. And also, just look at this. The room is quite large with the mirrors everywhere. And look at this large closet. I really can put all my clothes here. I like the color of the closet and it's matching with the color of the walls. And here we have the lamp, which has very unique design. Look at this. So this is the bathroom of the first floor. And what I love about that, look at these amenities. So here you have a towel, you have soap, you have a toothbrush and hand lotion. So this is all for the first floor. Let's have a look for the second floor. On the second floor, we have a second bedroom, also working space with a view. So this is the bedroom on the second floor, which is actually the same as in the first floor. And look at this view. It's just amazing to wake up with this view and can you imagine to meet the sunrise. And here is the balcony. Look at this. On the second floor, we have a second bathroom. Over here, we put a large bathtub with a view to the skyline. So this stunning townhouses cost only $350,000. It's a great opportunity for investment. So what are you waiting for? Just contact Break Property for the more details.